Hey everyone, I'd like to show you how to use this single serve coffee maker. You have a couple options. You are able to use a standard store-bought K-cup. It comes with two pod holders, I should say. This one's going to hold the store-bought one. You're just going to set it in there. And this one is for your own coffee. So I have my own ground coffee that I keep, and this is my K-cup filler. It's just the exact amount that comes in a K-cup, so it works perfectly for the basket. So what you want to do is first fill it up with water. There's your max. So it does hold only 12 ounces, but if you don't want that much, you can just fill it to whatever you want, and then it'll obviously, once the water runs out, the brew will stop. So we're going to just open this up. That's where I poured the water in, so there's your reservoir. And then you now have the option to use your K-cup, and that goes in. Make sure that these two lips right here set on the edge on either side, not front to back, so that this closes properly. Then you put your K-cup in here and push that down, and then this needle right here is going to poke that like so, and you can see the light comes on, and you just are going to press that to brew. So we also have the option of, I'm going to put my coffee grounds in here, of using your own ground coffee. And once again, the two lips here are going to set down. You got to remove that side to side, not front to back, so that it sits in there, and this closes properly. Once again, you see the light flashing, so that you'll go ahead and press that. It's just letting you know it's ready to go. So actually, let's go ahead. I'm going to go ahead and brew my own coffee here. So just make sure that clicks into place, and we'll go ahead and press the button and wait for it to brew. All right, so you can see it's got a pretty good stream going, and I think you can see the steam coming out here. It's very, 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 very hot, which is great. Brews a nice cup of hot coffee, so that if you're going to put cream in there, it's going to hold up real well and stay warm. Unless, of course, you use steamed cream, then, of course, it's going to be extremely hot. But so once this is done brewing, you're just going to simply remove the basket, throw out the grounds, and repeat. But you can see it's going to finish pouring out here. All right, so now it's time to remove the cup. So I'll just take that out. And now I'm going to show you how to use the K-cup pot. All right, so now we're going to use the store-bought K-cup. We're going to use this pod holder. And again, these two little lips are going to sit right in there, nice and flush. Then we're going to put the pod in. And again, I refilled it to the 12 ounce. I'm going to set that in there and press to brew. All right, so you can see, once again, a nice good stream going, really hot coffee. This is a fabulous little machine for a single serve. I hope the review was helpful. Thanks so much for watching. Take good care.